Good morning, students. So, the solution of yesterday's homework, there are the sums of multiply I have given you. Now, see how we have solved this. Here is 1234. 1234, and we have to multiply by 4. So, we will read the table of 4 up to 4 times. 4 पंजा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12 and 4 4 जा 16. So write 6 here and carry 1 above tens column. In the tens column we will carry 1 and write 6 here because we are starting from 1's digit. So 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13. So we write 3 here and carry 1. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9. 4 1 ja 4. Now we will move to our next question. 238 multiplied by 6. We will read the table of 6 up to 8. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48 and 6 9 ja 6 8 ja 48. So we will write 8 here and carry 4. So 6 3 ja. Now we will start reading the table of 6 up to 3. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12 and 6 3 ja 18. 18 plus 4 of carry 19, 20, 21, 22. We write 2 here and carry 2 in a circle. Now read the table of 6 up to 2. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 2 14. So we write here 14. So after multiplying 238 by 6, we get 1428. Now the next one is 2448 multiplying by 2. So 2, we will start from the 1's digit. Always remember we have to start from the 1's digit. So 2 at the 16. We write 6 here and carry 1. 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 2 ja 4. So after multiplying 2448 by 2, we get 4896. Now the next question is 1326 multiplying by 5. So 5 6 ja, we will read the table of 5 up to 6. So 5 6 ja 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 6 ja 30. So write 0 here and carry 3. Next 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 3 13. So we will write here 13, 3 and carry 1 in circle. 5 3 ja 15, 15 plus 1 16. So write 6 here and carry 1. 5 1 ja 5, 5 plus 1 6. So after multiplying 1326, 1326, what do we get? 6630. 6630. Next sum, we have to calculate 1628 by multiplying 4. So 4 8 ja 32. We write 2 here and 3. Now we are able to learn the table up to 10. So I am going to direct tell you. 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. Write 1 here and carry 1. 4 6 the 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 5 here and carry 2. 4 1 the 4 plus 2, 6. Adding 6. So after multiplying 1628 by 4, we get 6512. The next one is 1738 multiplying by 4. 4 8 the 32. We write 2 here and carry 3. 4 3 the 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 7 the 28 plus 1, 29. Write 9 here and carry 2. 4 1 the 4. 4 plus 5, 2, 5, 6. So after multiplying 1738 by 4, 1738 by 4, we get 6952. The next one is we have to multiply 1600 by 4. Now see, here is 0. If we multiply anything with 0, we get 0. So 4 zeros are 0. 4 zeros are 0. We write 0 here. So 4 6 ja 24. We write 4 here and carry 2. 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. So after multiplying 1600 by 4, we get 6400. Now the last sum is 1502 multiplying by 2. So 2, we will read the table of 2 up to 2 times. 2 1 the 2 and 2 2 the 4. And 2 zeros are 0. 2 5 ja 10. Write 0 here and carry 1 in circle. Always remember to take carry in circle, so that we will remember that we have to add these. 2 1 ja 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So multiplying 1502 by 2, we get 3004. The next one is this one. So 1600. 16 multiply 14 multiply 2 equal to 2 multiply 14 equal to, what is not given here? Here is 2 is given, 14 is given, but what to equalize these, what is not given? 16 is not given here. So we will write 16. I am using the next one. Now see, 214 multiply 25. So if we assume it is A and it is B, we are assuming it is A and it is B. So B is given. What is not given? 214. A is not given here. To equalize both, we have to both the numbers on both sides. Here are 214 and 25, but here are only 25. So this is the sign of equal. If we have to equal both, then we have both the number on both sides. So here is 214 is not here. 243 multiplied by 1 is 243. 255 multiplied by 1 is 255. 180, what should we multiply 180 that we get 180? If we multiply 180 by 1, then we get 180. With which digit we should multiply 270 that we get 0? As we know the property of 0, if we multiply anything with 0, then we get the answer as 0. So 270 multiplying by 0, we get 0. 140 multiplying by 1, what do we get? 140. If we multiply any number with 1, then we get the same number. Like here we multiply 243 by 1, we get the 243. 255 by 1, we get 255. Same as we get, if we multiply 140 by 1, we get 140. Means to say, it is the property of multiply. If we multiply any number by 1, we get the exact that number in product. And if we multiply any number with 0, then we get the answer as 0. Like 270 multiplying by 0, 0. 261 multiplied by 0, 0. Okay, this is the homework I have given you. Yesterday I have given you this homework.